In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate keyboard sounds on this device. So at first let me open keypad at first. As you can hear, it is muted, and if you would like to turn it off, just open the settings, then find and select sound and go to advanced. Go a bit lower then, and here you've got all the system sounds, so if you would like to activate the dial-pad tones, just mark it here. And that's it. Now, if you will open keypad again. Okay, I've got muted the device, I guess. Do not disturb. It should work right now. Okay, so now you can hear that it is working. So make sure that you don't have DND or a silent mode applied, and then you will be able to hear it. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.